All right, Jay Woods here. KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do box 3 of Crown Royal Football for rwilson78. Good luck, man. Pack 1 has an Arian Foster base, a blue Pro Bowls Golden Tate, not numbered. Wilson again, we'll send all cards your way. Here you got Men at Arms, discount double check, and 20 of 25. I think that's purple. Vic Beasley Jr. for the Falcons. 21 of 25. Nice low numbered auto there. Low numbered auto. And a Marshawn Lynch at a 199 hollow foil. 190 of 199. Lynch hollow foil. And dummy card. It's all look the same size. We got Alshon, not numbered. Mike Evans, not numbered. Garrett Grayson, Regal rookies. And Jameis. Jameis Winston. Wow, out of 499. That's a high number. 306 of 499. Thought that was going to be 299 at least. Or at the most. Out of 499. And then we got Malcolm Brown for the Patriots. Not numbered. Victor Cruz. Men at Arms, Carson Palmer, green foil, not numbered. Pro Bowls, Jason Witten. Jason Witten Pro Bowl. Nice. Crown Royal Rookie Royalty Gold sticker auto. David Johnson. $27 of 99. David Johnson. David Johnson. And Heoli Kikaha. Not numbered. Nice 2-auto box for you, Robert. Apparently it is. Gotta buy the Cardinals more often, man. Teddy Bridgewater. 7 of 10. Packers background. That's actually a nice looking card. It is a Jake Ryan. If that was a Brett Hundley or a Ty Montgomery. But that's actually a cool looking card. 7 of 10, Jake Ryan. We got Tom Brady. Breast cancer awareness. And your jersey. Matt who? Matt Jones. Copper foil. 118 of 199. Yeah. But isn't he defensive? Terrell Watson for the Bengals is how we'll finish the break. Not numbered. Very nice box, R. Wilson. Yeah. Very nice box, man.